So this week I helped out Mitch and Mark on their entertainment area. It was supposed to be the master bedroom week, but they changed it to a top floor entertainment area. So with Mitch and Mark in the entertainment area, their inspiration was mid-century modern, and for this particular area they really wanted a Palm Spring mid-century modern vibe. And so what I did for them was put together a lookbook of a few different images of Palm Spring homes, and we could compare some of the products in those with some of the products in our range. It was a little challenging in this room because they had a skylight that ran the entire length of the room. So we had to find appropriate places to put lights. So we ran track lights down either side of the skylight so that it kind of mimicked the light that was coming in the daytime was coming out at nighttime. We took out a few tracks and tested them out to see which would look best, and I think it tied in really well. When using track lights, you need to consider that a track light is going to focus the light. The best way to do it is to take the product out and test it in the space. And with track lights that's easy because you can just twist it in or twist it out and move it again. By being able to do that, you can line it up and get it looking really nice. The other thing is a track light, because it's a focus beam, you're not going to get general light across your area. And so that's what Mitch and Mark did really well by using table lamps like our Jock table lamp. That gives you a lower light and wider spread of light that's coming onto your face and lighting the walls and giving that warmth in the room that you need.